name is Sammy. Today is a school day, and I hope I make a new friend. My backpack is ready, but my heart feels a little shy. There are so many kids at school. What if no one talks to me? I sit at my desk and look around. Everyone is busy.
Good morning, everyone. Let's smile and say hello to our classmates.
I think I can try. Hi, my name is Sammy. Hi, Sammy. I'm Alex. Want to sit with me? We build a tower with blocks. It's fun. Let's make it taller. Recess is my favorite part. Playing together makes me happy. Race you to the slide. I'm not shy anymore. I made a new friend today. I learned that saying hello is the first step to making friends. See you tomorrow, Sammy. Making new friends starts with a smile and a hello.